Lesson 23, Session 2, page 522. Number 4 says, which hour hand shows 11 o'clock? Remember that when we hear o'clock, that means that it has just pointed at the exact hour with 0 minutes. So it is 11 o'clock. We know that these analog clocks are showing the face of the clock. Here it says which hour hand shows 11. Here it is pointing, it looks like it's pointing almost to the 12, but not quite to the 12. This one is not pointing at 11. Here we have the hand, and if I look at it closely, it is pointing just past the 11, but not at the 12 yet. So this clock is not showing 11 o'clock. The next hour hand is pointing exactly at the 11. The short hand is pointing at 11, and long hand would be at o'clock, at the 12. When the big hand's on the 12, say o'clock and you'll do well. It is 11 o'clock. Number 5, which hand shows almost 6 o'clock? Almost. Does it say shows exactly? No, it says almost. So here we have 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Okay. We have to look at the hour hand. Where is it pointing? This looks like it's pointing between the 5 and the 6. Okay. This hour hand looks like it's pointing exactly at the 7. Well, that doesn't say almost 6, so that can't be right. This one says 6 o'clock exactly. It's pointing exactly at the 6. This would be 6 o'clock. This one here if you look really carefully, it says it's pointing at the 7. The big hand is your minute hand, and it's on the 12. It is 7 o'clock here. This is between the 5 and the 6. It's not 6 yet. It's almost 6. So this is the correct clock telling me that it is almost 6 o'clock. This one says 7 o'clock. This one says 6. Almost 6 means not 6 yet, so this cannot be the answer. Number 6, draw the hour hand to show the time. Just past 7. So past the 7, but not to the 8 yet. So I can put just past the 7 here. Here it says almost 8. So if it's almost 8, I'm going to go a little further this way towards the 8 than I did before. Not 8 o'clock yet, but it is almost 8. And the next clock says 8 o'clock. So it has to be exactly pointing right at the 8. It is 8 o'clock.